And now a story you'll see only on 10. St. Landry Parish President Jesse Bellard appears in court following an injunction he filed against the parish council. News 10's Zane Hogue was the only TV reporter in the courtroom. He joins us now from St. Landry Parish with more on this. Zane.
Hey, Darla, here in St. Landry Parish, a judge has ruled in favor of Jesse Bellard's injunction, meaning any investigation done by the parish council into Bellard's firings will be stopped, at least for now.
The termination decisions that Mr. Bellard has made as a parish president, which the Home Rule Charter gives him the sole discretion to make, those decisions should not then be second-guessed by the council to determine whether or not this employee should have been terminated, whether a different discipline should have been given to him. That is the sole decision of Mr. Bellard.
According to the judge, the council's resolution into investigating employee firings not only lacked specifics, it also allowed the parish council to overstep their responsibilities stated in the charter. Because the charter is voted on by residents of St. Landry Parish, Bellard says it's important to maintain the rules it states.
That's the whole reason why we have two separate branches of government. I don't hold them accountable for anything that they do or don't do, and they can't hold me accountable for anything I do or don't do. You know, we got to keep the integrity of this office. It's about the parish president's position and what this office does and what this office is entitled to do. You do yours, I'll do mine. And then the people decide at the end of the 4 years if whether or not you are doing your job or not.
With today's result being a preliminary decision, Pearson says the council will have the option of revising their argument. Until then, there will be no investigation into employee personnel files.
It's really up to the council to decide what they want to do. But I would guess they're going to try to redraft it knowing what the judge has ruled today. We would hope that the council would go back and reword the investigation and fix the problem before we have to come fight this again in court. But for now, it's stopped pending a final trial.
Now, there's currently no idea on when the final trial for the injunction will be held, but both Bellard and Pearson say they will be ready when the time comes. In St. Landry Parish, I'm Zane Hogue for KLFY News 10.